Davao, wherein there is heavy traffic. This is it. My day in Davao City. Join me as I share to you my tour for this morning. By this afternoon and night time, Roas Market. I love to be there also. So meanwhile we stop because there are passengers going down and going up also the jeepney. This is my and my pilot here. I'm the only one. I'm the only one in the jeep. Look at that. Wow. I requested my pilot to be here near the front. Last time when I went to City Hall, the pilot driver forgot because there are many passengers. So lumampas ako. Bumalik. So sumakay naman ng payong-payong. Okay lang, sir. Wow. So wala man kayo mga timayo. Wala pa. So far yan. Ikaw yung expert ko na driver. Mabuhay channel tayo sa kanila. Just introduce yourself po. Shout out your name. Shout out sa mga parente.
Shout out ako mga parente diya.
Mga apelido, sir.
Mga ko. Oh,
inchik ka.
Mga parente na ko, mga pita.
Wow, okay. Asa na ka lugar?
Sa Kalinan.
Kalinan, Name, real name. Dili ba siguro ka wanted? Nag-drive bang ka? Dili ka wanted. Okay. So, ayaw na sila pakilala. Live tayo yung YouTube ang channel. Ayaw mo? Sige. Okay lang, RSP. So, you look. Ako lang isa, parang pinakyaw ko na ang jeep. Pakyaw ko na yan. Amazing ride. Talaga ito. This is it. My tour in Davao. But meanwhile, we have to stop because the traffic light, it shows red 1. So, it means you have to stop. We're waiting for the green light so we can move on. Approximately, ilaman ka minuto bago mag-change. Pila ka 5 minutes. 5 minutes pa din ay. Usually 5 minutes. Nyadari mga taxi, nag-stop sila kay traffic light. Ang